As the world's largest manufacturer exclusively dedicated to digital signage, Allsee Technologies understands the importance of delivering high-quality solutions to our partners. From the very beginning of the manufacturing process in our state-of-the-art factory, every display goes through a rigorous quality control process to ensure it meets our high standards. By combining the expertise of our engineers with advanced technology, we are able to create innovative and reliable digital signage solutions. Every component is tested at each stage of production to ensure consistent performance under any conditions. Only once it has passed all checks can it move to the next step in production. For example, here our team is meticulously inspecting each LED module for any defects before the waterproof sealant is applied. Afterwards, the modules are tested again to maintain the high standards we've established since 2007. Once the products arrive at our UK warehouse, the quality control continues. Each display is individually inspected and pre-configured before being shipped, ensuring it's ready to be used from the moment it reaches our customers. At Allsee Technologies, our commitment to quality control is key to everything we do, ensuring you receive the most reliable digital signage solutions.